everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna try this beautiful set right here. This is called the Sephora Favorites set and I'm really excited to try this. It retails for $49 and the value of it is $161. You get 4 full-size products and the rest are minis. I already have these products on my face, but in my routine I'm gonna use all these products and I'm really excited to try these. So just open her up. Ooh. And this is what we have inside. So for skincare, we have that Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewdrops. I love this. I owned it. I ran out of it, but I'm gonna put some here in the back of my hand. And I love this not only for my skincare, but I also like using it as a makeup primer because it really like gives such a beautiful dewiness and such a beautiful glow to the skin. It makes the makeup go on really nicely, really smooth, non-cakey. Moving on to brows, we have the Anastasia Brow Freeze. It doesn't say in the description that this is a full size, but I believe this is a full size. I used to own one and I threw it away because I feel like I didn't close it good enough, so it dried up and it was like literally like so hard. Grab some and I'm using the spoolie from my like brow pencil and I put some in the back of my hand. I just like grabbing it like and just moving everything like this and then just back combing it first because I feel like that's how it works best. It's a good product. It is on the pricey side. I feel like alone this product retails for like 30 something dollars. No, I'm sorry, like 25 maybe. I'll put the right price like on the screen, but just alone this product is already like half of what the bag costs. And I'm just like, you know, shaping my brows how I want them to go. To show you how it really holds the brows really nice in place. And I'm just gonna grab my NYX brow pen and just do like hair-like strokes. Moving on to mascara, we're gonna use this Ilia one. It is like a mini size. It's a tiny one. It's so cute. I don't know if it's gonna work on my short straight lashes. I already curled them and usually non-waterproof mascaras don't work on my eyes, but we'll see. This is the Limitless Lash Mascara and I'm actually gonna just put it like on like not like the I'm not putting the mascara at the root, just like I don't know, just the hairs, like not the actual root of my lash. Now, Ilia is a clean brand, so, you know, I haven't really tried any other products before. Get some mascara here. I mean, like, okay, so what do you think of mascara? I feel like it's a nice everyday mascara. It doesn't really give me a lot of volume. It did give me a little bit of length. For me, I feel like this is like a no makeup mascara, honestly. We also have the Rare Beauty mist. I'm gonna prime and set my makeup with this. I love this product so much. It makes your makeup last all day. I have the full size, but I like using this to prime. Also, let's put some on. Moving on to the bronzer. It has like this little thing right here. Oh, it kind of broke. I just took the cap off and then it kind of broke, but this is like how tiny this product is, even though it's like full size. How do you, oh, okay, so this is how you twist it. I'm not gonna twist it because it already has like product out. Okay, so this is probably this bronzer is definitely something I would say if you're like my skin tone or lighter would use, because if you're darker than me, I don't think this bronzer is gonna work on you. But it is blending out really nicely. Wow, I've never tried anything from Milk Makeup. This is like my first product and this is actually really, really nice. Moving on to blush. This is like a powder blush, so I'm gonna get some in this Makeup by Ariel times Morphe collection, and I'm just tapping that like into the skin, and wow, that's so pretty. Wow, I love this blush and this color. This blush will definitely work on all skin tones because it's such a beautiful like berry blush. I love it. This is my first time also trying like Lawless Beauty, so I'm really excited. We have 2 lip products in this kit. Then we have a lip balm from Summer Fridays. This is the shade Vanilla Beige. I'm gonna swatch Vanilla Beige for you right here. Tried this one. I've never tried a pumpkin gloss from Patrick Ta. I love my Rare Beauty, not my Rare Beauty, my Fenty. I love my Fenty Beauty one. The doe foot applicator of this product is really nice because it really hugs the lip, kind of acts like a lip liner. And the plumping effects hits in about 5 seconds and it really plumps the lips. I'm not gonna lie, this probably compares to the Fenty Beauty lip glosses because they are burning my lips. Finishing off with the Rare Beauty again. Okay, so everything about these products slays. I have nothing bad to say about these products. If you have not tried them but want to, I would say yes because they are worth it.